welcome to Review World Channels. Today I'm going to tell you the best car in 2022 and 2023. So I will just review this car and the features of this car, okay?
আরে ও আমার বন্ধু না তুই আয় তা আমি বুলবুল তুই না দেয় শুনবো বাড়ির সামনে এরকম বলতো না
Okay.
বুলবুল নিয়ে যাবো বুলবুল আসবে না
This is the car. Its name is Hyundai Tanko Review. Okay. First of all, we just read something.
ওই ওর বাপ তারপর দেখতে
The redesigned 2020 Honda Tanko ranks at the top of the compact SUV class, thanks in the part of its composed ride and the handling, spacious and the special reviews. Okay, user-friendly, informative system and long-list traffic assistant features. The pros: premium cabin, roomy sitting and coach space, many stand safety features, composed ride and the handling. The seats are fives, and the capability to load the well 24-26 ladder. Okay, so I'm just opening the picture. Okay, this is the whole looks of this car, and this is the back part of this car. It's very deep blue and red, and this totally premium qualities. Okay, this is the right left sides of this car, and it's the in front of this car front side. Here the designs are totally most premium. Okay, and the back part of this car is totally and very working good. And here the beads are all combined by red and deep blue, and this is the main customers. Okay, and it's the back part of this car where you can carry your goods if you want to go to long trips, and you can carry your goods by this cabin. The the fixer is the in front of this engine. Here seated in this box, and it's very nice.
আমরা ড্রাইভিং লাইসেন্সের পরীক্ষা দিয়েছিলাম এটা না
It's the hologram of this car. The hologram is says when Honda. Okay, and it's the headlights part. Headlights part is yellows and watercolor, and its headlights really premium quality. Notice hand, and it's the weapon the window. The doors are looking very good. The car has only four doors. By using this card, you can sit in this car. This is the holder, hand holder. If you want to open the door, you must catch it and push it. Okay, it's the very most important part of this car. In the main route, and the main route, if you want to drive, you must follow the rules. The mirror, the side mirror is the most important of for you, because you can guess by this mirror that behind of your scenes, if some car is coming to back in your car, you will able to see by this mirror. Okay, this is the light of back part. Okay, it's certainly in premium part and good quality. Okay. Wow, this is the most important topic. This That's called a hole. The hole there in this card there are only four holes, and one is on or two extra, and this quality and designs are very unique. Okay, only the car of this. Now I'm going to tell you the price of this car. The price is only 25,000 $25,800. Okay, $25,800. That's too. It's not very too much. It's totally reasonable for me, and also yours. Okay. So Hyundai Enterprise said word, the configuration, the performance. 2022 Hyundai Helco performance. The 2022 Hyundai Tucson provides a pretty well-rounded driving and experience. It rides smoothly over the road pavement and maintains the stability around turns and return good feel economy. Its four cylinder engine may not be providing, but its scales is open for most steward. Okay. Okay, some year acceleration for normal driving is adopted, but you might find a little lacking when you need to brush up speed of when making highly fast. Some review of this car. Accordance. The second word is the Topkins is throwing both lightly waiting and light and feedback, and there is a good amount of body roll in the corners. But what is the crossover? Lacking the spontaneous make up for the comfort. Even the limited 19 inches wheel the touch, the total whole size is 19 NC. While our tongue is smaller bump and walking parts. Traveling support right that is more than your compressed even relief motor point. Okay. Engine option, horsepower and television. Okay. In the default little curve with 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of power. Seven stand for while driving, available while drive 80 speed automatics. The Honda Tankos varieties of aim, feel safe and city driving and speed, but the extent of the quality being in the height is partly due to the optional limits. But finally, those well ordered this car